index of pass what guys? Pass what? Yes, comma your required character small a. At first what we are doing, observe here, first we are checking with small a, okay, MOH small a, okay. So now it will return what? 3 to us, and if I pass capital A, it will return -1, okay. Observe here, so it should return answer to us as what? 3. And to know that our method is executing, our own logic is executing, what I am going to do here, observe, let me put one debug statement here. What is that? What is that? Our index, getting our index, now what will be the output? Our index, getting, this is what? SOP statement only, right? Yes, our index 3 will be the output. In this case, our index -1. This is first scenario, this is second scenario, okay. Now observe, okay. Now let me compile. What is the source code here? Java C test.java, compiled successfully. Now what is the main method? Corresponding class A, capital A, okay. So Java space capital A. Yes, 1 second, I didn't add that debug statement here, okay. System.out.println of what? Our index, okay. Now let me compile once again and let me run. Yes, our index 3 is the output. Our own method for index is executing, okay. Now let me put here capital A. Now what is the output? Our index -1 should be the output. Compile that one and re-execute. Yes, our index -1 is the output, okay. Now one of the student has asked one small question, okay. Now okay, let it be, let's check, okay, let's check whether it works for even for other scenarios also, okay. Now if I pass here u, getting if I pass here u, what should be the output? 6, right? What should be the output? Our index 6 should be the output, right? Observe here, let me compile that particular thing, okay. Let me put here u, friends, okay. Let it be as what? U. Our index 6 should be the answer. Yes, it works fine, okay. Now one more small thing, okay, one more small thing. Let me put here repeating characters. Let me put here Mohandu Anil, okay. Mohandu Anil. Still what is the answer? Still what should be the answer? 3 only, first occurrence character. So I am going to give here what? What is that? Mohandu Anil, and this one should be as what? Small a. So still answer is what? 3 only, our index 3, okay. It works fine. Now observe here, I am going to pass one known thing. Observe this part, okay, this part. Here what is the default value for string? It is null. Observe here, for int it is what? 0, for byte it is what? 0, for short 0, for long 0, for float 0.0, double 0.0. For reference variables it is what? For reference variables null. If I pass here, if I assign null to, if I pass null to yes, if I pass null to yes, now what happens here? It will raise here null pointer exception, okay. Observe here, our index null pointer exception is the output. Observe here, what will be the answer if I pass here null, okay. Now observe, compile this one and run this one. Yes, our index null pointer exception. At which line? 13. Okay, at this line we are getting. Observe here, line number is what? 13. Now observe this part, how to avoid that particular thing. Okay, how to avoid that particular thing? Simple thing. Observe. Of course, we are about to discuss one operator called as not equals operator. Okay, what's the logic behind this operator? Means it will return true if both operand values are different. Observe, if it is different, it will return true. It will return false when if both the operand values are same. Very important. Okay, it will return true if both the values are different. Now let me know one thing, what is yes value here? It is not referring this object, right? Now yes value is what? Null, right? If yes is referring this one, what will be the s value? It is other than null. It can have 1f, 2f, any reference value, and then here it will not be as what? Null. It will be as what? New string of mo and do. Okay, it will be in that format. If s equals to null means, it will not be referring this object. Its value will be as what? Null. Okay, now I'll use one small statement. Observe, if yes is not equals to null, okay, if s is not equals to null, if both the operand values are different, then it returns what? True. Observe here, if both operand values are different, it returns what? True. Now s equals to null. Observe here, don't do anything. Null. If both operand values are same, what it will return? False. What it will return? False. False means what? The control will come out of this if block. It will reach else block. Observe, even if I pass null, I am not going to raise null pointer exception now. Okay. Now one more small thing. Okay, now observe here, we are having short circuit and or logical and operator. This operator will return, not return, if it is that is, if this operand value is true, it will execute this statement. If this operand value is false, it will not execute this operand. Observe, if this value is false, operand value is false means it will not execute this operand. If this operand value is true means it will execute that operand. Okay. Now simple example. Observe, let me take one string s equals to nil. Okay. Now observe here. Now if true, let it be int I equals to 0. Okay, int I equals to 0. Now true, short circuit and I s dot length is greater than 0. Okay, what is that? I s dot length greater than 0. Okay, now true, right? What happens here? It will execute this statement, right? Yes, s dot length first it will execute. Okay, I variable value will be as what at memory? 0. Now it will be as what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Anil is there, right? So this one is ANIL 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be as what now? 4. 4 is greater than 0 or not? Yes. Now it will get executed. Now I variable value will be as what now? It will be as what? 4. Okay. Observe here. If it is true, it will execute this operand. If it is false, it will not execute this operand. Okay. Now I have taken one string yes, and I have taken one variable I have taken one variable, yes, and I have taken one variable I equals to 0. At memory, I variable value will be as what? 0. Now it is true, this operand will allow JVM to execute this statement. If it executes this statement, s dot of length, what's the value? 4. 4 is assigning to I. 0 to 4, it has been modified, and here 4 will be assigned to I. Now I value is what? 4. 4 is greater than 0, yes, true, let it be, no issues. Now I value, if I print, what is that I value? 4. Okay, now just this one let me execute and show to you. Okay, I'm going to use this knowledge. Okay, observe, let me make this method as main1. Now take a public static void main method. Okay, what we have taken? We have taken one string variable s equals to Anil, and take one int variable I equals to 0. Now if of true, observe, short circuit and or logical and operator, I equals to s dot length, if that value is greater than 0, do something. Okay, now system dot out dot println of I, what should be the I value? It is 4. And what is this statement, guys? Observe here, what is this statement means is a dummy statement called as null statement. Okay, this is called as null statement. Null statement, it is having no instructions here. Okay, but I can write semicolon, which is valid in any programming language. Okay, it is called as null statement. Okay, now come here. Okay, now what is the value of this this I? It is 4. Okay, now let me compile this piece of code. Okay, same file name, source code name, now main method name, it is what? 4 now. Okay, now observe here, it is true. That's why logical AND operator allowing JVM to execute this operand. Now if it is false, it will not allow, right? Now make this one as false. Getting? Now what happens? I variable value will be as 0 only. False. Hello JVM, please go out of this one, don't come and execute this one. Still I value is what? 0 only at memory. We are not executing this one, right? Now it will come out of this null statement. Now what will be the I variable value? Now 0 only, not 4. Okay, observe, that's the difference here. Okay, now observe, let me compile and execute. So put here as what? Here false. Okay, now observe, let me compile, let me run this one. Okay, yes, 0 is the output. Just for your understanding purpose, let me append something. Okay, so 0 some denotion. Okay, so 0 is the output. Now come here. Okay, I'll use this knowledge now. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now if both the s value and this null value are different, when this not equals operator returns true, if both values, if both the operand values are different, it returns true, right? If s is referring this object means what should be the statement here? New string of Mohandu. Okay, now s will be referring this one, it is not null. Think that it's having some value 9f like that. Okay, 9f not equals to null, don't do anything, come here. Okay, 9f not equals to null, don't do anything, come to this implementation. It will return, if both the operand values are different means what it will do? It will return true. Okay, be calm. Okay, now it is returning what? True. Okay, now use short circuit AND operator. If it is not null, then it will return what? True. If it is true, JVM will allow this statement to execute. Now I variable value will become as what? 7. Okay, now this one will be executing. Observe here. So in earlier case, if I pass here s equals to, instead of this one, if I pass null, what it is giving? Null pointer exception at this statement, right? Now I am going to add this s is not equals to null, short circuit, and it is not going to give null pointer exception. It will give -1 as the output. Just observe 1 minute. In earlier case, it is returning what to us? Null pointer exception here, right? Let me compile and execute this one once again. Of course, the method name is main, not main1. Okay, just compile once again and run this one once again. Our index null pointer exception at this line, right? What is this line number? 13, right? Observe here 13. Okay, this is null pointer exception. How to avoid that one? How to avoid? If s is not equals to null, put short circuit. And how we are writing this statement is very important, friends. Okay, now even though if I pass null here, I will get -1. Observe now, observe our index -1. Okay, if you want to get change means feel the difference means, let me put this one. Okay, now observe here, star index -1 will be the output. Yes, we have done even that bug also. Yes, we have covered. Now observe here, some of few students are going to interchange these two things. Both are same, right? I will use like that. Don't use null pointer exception. Most of the guys are going to write this statement in this way: a start length greater than 0 and s is not equals to null. Observe here, before checking s is null or not, you are executing this one, right? It will give null pointer exception once again. Don't write such type of statements. Just 1 second, let me write that and execute. Observe here. Okay, don't interchange them. Meanings are going to get change. Okay, internal meanings are going to get change. Okay, now let me change this one just for the difference. Okay, let it be as what? At symbols. You will get, what is that? At index at what is that? Null pointer exception only. Why? Because this is still null only. Okay, observe. Let me run this one. Observe at this statement at line number 14. Okay, observe null pointer exception. Don't interchange the meanings, guys. Okay, don't interchange that one. Okay, now observe, this is what our own index method logic. Of course, you can develop your own last index of method logic by using this one. Okay, by using this one also. If you are developing that one, okay, develop. In other session I will develop that method also. Please try to write such type of logics. Okay, at interviews they will ask these type of questions only. Okay, please try to practice. Thank you.